Oh, hey, Brad, call sign Captain Wingnut from Cougar Ridge Ranch, high in the Uinta Mountains of eastern Utah. And today, I'm going to show you when you've got thick little carrots like this, and you use this kind of peeler, you don't have a lot of carrot left. Plus, it's real close to fingers when you're trying to do this. So I'm going to show you how you do it really, really easy. You don't lose very much carrot at all, just a little fraction. And it's very safe for the fingers. Okay, let's go. I'll show you. Okay, so got this little stubby little carrot here, and to try and peel it with this kind of a peeler, it's really, really tough, and it's dangerous, and it's close to your fingers. So get yourself a stainless steel pot scrubber, and I like to fill the sink with a little bit of water, and then you can just scrub this. And this stainless steel pot scrubber is strong enough, tough enough to actually not just wash and clean the carrot, but to peel it. It's actually taking the peel right off, and you'll see that in just a second. When I rinse this off, you'll see all the orange peel in the sink here. So there, you see the sink turns orange, and there's the carrot, all nicely peeled, but no fingers were harmed in the making of this film. So, there you have it. Peeling stubby little carrots without taking the hide off your fingers, without losing much carrot at all, making it simple, sweet, and easy. There you go, baby. Alright, Brad, call sign Captain Wingnut from Cougar Ridge Ranch, high in the Uinta Mountains of eastern Utah, signing off. Thanks for watching.